Activating and harnessing the power of the subconscious mind can be done through various techniques and practices. Set clear goals and write them down to give your subconscious mind a specific focus. Create positive affirmations aligned with your goals and repeat them daily to rewire your subconscious mind. Visualize yourself having achieved your goals and focus on the emotions associated with the desired outcome. Regular meditation practice helps quieten the conscious mind, allowing access to the subconscious. Consider working with a certified hypnotherapist or using self-hypnosis techniques to access and activate your subconscious mind. Write about your goals, desires, and aspirations in a journal regularly to reinforce positive beliefs. Consistency is key when activating the subconscious mind. Repeat your affirmations, visualizations, and other practices daily. Surround yourself with positive influences, supportive people, and an empowering environment. Remember, activating the subconscious mind requires patience, persistence, and belief in the process.